Okay, Unit 8, targets 3 through 4. This is problems number 11, 12, 13, and 14. Same diagram, says that G is the centroid, and they give you some information which I've kind of highlighted in the diagram. Find the length of each segment. So FC. FC is on the bottom of the triangle to the right, and what I know about F is that F is a midpoint. I know that F is a midpoint, E is a midpoint, and D is a midpoint, because all of the lines that are drawn are medians. I know that all the lines are medians because they tell me G is the centroid, and that is where all the medians intersect. So if F is a midpoint, that means that AF is going to equal FC, because a midpoint splits that segment into two congruent segments. And so FC is equal to 12. Number 12 asks specifically about BF. So my BF median has part of it colored in red so far. What I know is that BG is equal to 6. BF is going to equal BG plus GF. BG, we said, is 6. GF is going to be 3. And so BF as a whole, that median, is equal to 9. What I know about the short segment from the centroid to the midpoint, just highlighted that in yellow, GF, I know that that is half as big as from the centroid to the vertex, which is in red. So GF to GB has this 1:2 ratio. Another way to look at that is that the segment in red, BG, is double the yellow highlighted section. So 6 is 3 doubled. Or again, that GF in yellow is half of 6. And that relationship is always true from a centroid to the midpoint and a centroid to the vertex. So BF is equal to 9. AG is from the centroid in pink to the vertex A. Highlighted again in pink. So AG is the longer segment of the relationship between the short segment, long segment, and midpoint, or median. We know that the longer segment is equal to 2/3 of the median. The median, they told me, is 15. So 2/3 of 15 is 10. So AG is equal to 10. If I wanted to know GE, which is the next problem, I could take 1/3 of the median. So 1/3 of 15 is equal to 5. Or I could have taken the 10 and just divided that by 2, or cut that in half. So AG is 10 and GE is 5.